Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make kimchi ramen noodles, full guide. Start by gathering kimchi, ramen, broth, eggs, and preferred toppings so everything is ready. I will guide you through quick prep, building a flavorful broth, and proper noodle timing to keep texture perfect. You will learn easy tweaks for spice, acidity, and protein to make a satisfying bowl every time, whether for weeknights or a cozy weekend meal. For the broth, sauté aromatics briefly, then add kimchi and broth to build layers of flavor. Simmer gently so the kimchi softens and the liquid concentrates, which creates depth without long cooking. Taste and adjust with soy sauce, gochugaru, or a touch of rice vinegar to balance heat and acidity. This method gives you a rich, tangy base that complements practice-perfect noodles and simple proteins like egg or tofu. If you're finding this guide useful, please like the video and subscribe for more easy recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for music while you cook. It's a fun way to set the mood and time your noodles. I've linked it and some deals in the description below, so check there for more. Now let's get back to the video. Cook noodles just until al dente, ideally separately, and reserve some noodle water to adjust broth thickness. Combine noodles with simmering kimchi broth briefly so they absorb flavor without becoming mushy. Finish the bowl with a soft egg, scallions, and toasted sesame seeds for texture. Small touches like a drizzle of sesame oil or a squeeze of lime can brighten the dish and tailor heat to your preference.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.